Hey, 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 it's Deanne. How are you today? I wanted to talk a little bit about what's keeping you in your comfort zone. What is preventing you from getting the help that you need so you can eliminate these gut issues completely? Because I know that you've probably gone from doctor to specialist. You've gotten your colonoscopies and your endoscopies and blood work, and maybe the doctors told you that everything looks good, but you know deep down that things are not right. You don't feel well, you don't have energy, you're irregular, maybe diarrhea, lots of constipation, reflux, maybe your diverticulitis is acting up. So, what's keeping you from getting the help you need? It's basically you telling yourself that everything is okay. And I get it. I know that's an easy way to get through the day. To tell yourself it's not really affecting your overall life. It's not affecting your work. It's not affecting your relationship with your husband or your kids or your grandkids. But in reality, any gut issue is affecting your life because it's going to affect your mood, which is then going to affect your relationships. It's going to affect your confidence level, which then again is going to affect your career and your relationships. It's going to prevent you from being able to be as social as you want to be able to go where you want to go. And yes, there might be a lot of people out there that push through the pain, but that is what's keeping you from actually getting the help you need. Because when you find that help, you are then listening to that voice in your head that's telling you to push through every single day. And it's telling you that you don't need this because everything is okay. So it's really about your why. Why do you want to be healthy? Why do you want to eliminate these constipation? Why do you want to eliminate the other gut issues, your diarrhea, your IBS, your SIBO, whatever you're having? And it's got to be more than, I just want to feel good every day. Because that internal feeling, that internal need and desire to have a better life, to be a better person, to be able to do the things that you truly want to do, that is what is going to help you make the changes that you need to make in order to get better. It's easy when you think about a pill. A doctor's just going to give you a pill. You don't have to change anything in your life. You're just going to take a pill and everything's going to get better. Well, then you realize that that is not the case. It's not getting to the root cause. It's not getting to why you're stressed all the time and how you're reacting to stress, your sleep, your activity, everything. And then when you think about having to make changes, it can be tough. You've been doing the same thing for years. You don't want to change. You want to stay in your comfort zone. Then you start having, excuses about time and I can't do this and I can't do that. But in order to be able to be committed enough to do the work and make the changes that are necessary to heal your body, you have to have a strong desire to really want to get better. So I recommend you sit down, close your eyes, think about it. Be honest with yourself. I get that you don't want to tell everybody else what's going on, but be honest with yourself. How is this really affecting your life? Have you been able to be intimate with your husband? And that's a huge, huge part of a relationship. You might be able to tell yourself, oh, we've been married for 30 years. We don't need that anymore. That is absolutely not true. That's an excuse that you're telling yourself to make it okay. If you have a relationship with somebody, you want to have that bond. You want to have that intimacy with them. So think about it. It could be your grandkids, your kids, your husband, your work, being able to travel, how confident you feel when you look at yourself in the mirror and, in your clothes. It's your own feelings. So I can't tell you what they are. You just can come up with that on your own by just closing your eyes, giving yourself some space, some time to think about it. Write it down because that is the most important thing. That is what's going to propel you forward. When you have, a time where you have to make that decision if you're going to eat the piece of cake or not, go back to that reason. That is going to be that motivation that's going to keep you going. All righty. Click the link below, schedule an appointment with me. I would love to talk to you and help you out. Bye bye.